Magnesium isn't just some random mineral you find in your multivitamin, it's literally protecting your DNA from falling apart. Yep, your DNA. And here's the kicker. If you're low on magnesium and high on something called homocysteine, your cells might be in big trouble. So what does magnesium actually do for your DNA? And why are researchers suddenly throwing homocysteine into this mix like it's the villain of the story? Let's break it down. First off, magnesium is kind of a big deal. It's the sidekick every enzyme dreams of. It helps with DNA replication, repair, and all kinds of essential biochemical magic. The problem? A lot of us don't get enough of it. And when your magnesium levels are low, your DNA becomes vulnerable. Think of it like trying to rebuild a brick wall with no mortar. Things are going to fall apart. But here's where it gets even weirder. High levels of homocysteine, that's a fancy amino acid, make everything worse. Imagine magnesium as your body's internal repair crew, and homocysteine as the guy sabotaging the tools. Not a good combo. Now, scientists in South Australia decided to put this theory to the test. They looked at 172 healthy middle-aged people and measured their blood levels of magnesium, homocysteine, folate, and vitamin B12. Then, they checked their DNA for damage using 3 key biomarkers: micronuclei, nucleoplasmic bridges, and nuclear buds. Fancy terms, I know. Stick with me. Here's the bombshell. Low magnesium levels were linked to significantly more DNA damage, and when homocysteine levels were high, the damage was even worse. We're talking about more micronuclei and nucleoplasmic bridges. Basically, signs that your DNA is crying for help. Even more fascinating? Magnesium didn't just chill on its own. It played nice with folate and vitamin B12, 2 other heavy hitters in the world of DNA repair. So it's not just about eating your greens or popping a magnesium supplement, it's about the whole team effort. So what does all this mean for you? In simple terms, if you're not paying attention to your magnesium intake, you could be setting yourself up for long-term problems. Chronic diseases, aging, who knows? The point is, magnesium is like the unsung hero in your body. And homocysteine, it's the sneaky antagonist you don't want sticking around. But don't panic. This isn't a doomsday PSA. It's just a reminder to take care of the basics. Balanced diet, less stress, maybe even check your blood levels if you're feeling extra proactive. Your DNA deserves a little TLC, right? At the end of the day, science is still piecing together this whole magnesium homocysteine DNA puzzle. But one thing's clear. Your body is doing a lot behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. Don't make its job harder than it needs to be. Oh, and maybe go grab a handful of nuts or leafy greens after this. Your DNA will thank you.